Now consider the next problem. During heat treatment process, alloy steel spherical balls of 12 mm diameter are initially heated to 800 degrees Celsius in a furnace. Subsequently, these are cooled to 100 degrees Celsius by keeping them immersed in an oil bath at 35 degrees Celsius with convection heat transfer coefficient of 20 watt per meter square degree. Determine the time required for the cooling process. The thermophysical properties of steel may be taken as rho equal to 7750 kilogram per meter cube. The specific heat C equal to 520 joule per kilogram Kelvin and K equal to 50 watt per meter degree. So this is the problem we have to solve. Here steel balls at an initial temperature of 800 degrees Celsius is given. We have to bring down the temperature 800 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius by keeping it in an environment of 35 degrees Celsius. The problem is, what is the time required to bring down the initial temperature 800 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius in this particular setup? The heat transfer coefficient H between the metallic body and the oil is 20 watt per meter square degree. The diameter of the steel ball is given as 12 mm. Now, since we have to calculate the time required to bring down the temperature from 800 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, first check whether the lumped system analysis is applicable or not. In order to calculate or in order to check whether the system is lumped or not, first we have to calculate the characteristic length. The characteristic length LC equal to V divided by AS. Here the particular specimen is in the form of a sphere. So the volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Similarly, the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So V by AS works out to be D by 6. So this characteristic length, you will be getting characteristic length as LC equal to 0.002 meters. This is the characteristic length. Now we have to calculate the Biot number. The Biot number BI equal to H LC divided by K. H is the heat transfer coefficient. The value of H is known. Characteristic length LC we had calculated. The thermal conductivity K is given in the problem. So Biot number BI works out to be 0.008. Since the Biot number BI is less than 0.1, BI is less than 0.1, the system can be assumed as lumped. So we can solve the problem by lumped system analysis. In lumped system analysis, we know the governing equation is T minus T infinity divided by Ti minus T infinity equal to e to the power minus Bi into Fo. This is the governing equation. The governing equation is available in data book page number 56. In order to work out this problem with the help of this governing equation, we need the value of Bi, which is already calculated. Again we need the Fourier number Fo. The Fourier number Fo equal to alpha into tau divided by LC square. Alpha equal to K by rho into C. The value of the thermal conductivity is known, rho is known. So the thermal diffusivity alpha equal to 1.24 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So the Fourier number Fo equal to alpha, we calculated the value of alpha into tau divided by LC square. LC square equal to 0.002. This is the characteristic length. So the Fourier number FO works out to be 3.1 tau. So we have in the governing equation we have the Biot number, the Fourier number. We have to calculate what is the time required to bring a body at an initial temperature of 800 degrees Celsius into 100 degrees Celsius, keeping in an environment of 35 degrees Celsius. So we substitute the given data in the governing equation. We have to calculate the time required to bring the body to a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius after a time tau. So T equal to 100 degrees Celsius. It is kept in an environment of 35 degrees Celsius. So medium temperature equal to 35 degrees Celsius. Initial temperature equal to 800 degrees Celsius. Again the T infinity equal to 35. This is equal to e to the power of minus Biot number into Fourier number. So simplify it, it will give you this expression. In order to solve for tau, take natural logarithm on both sides. When you take natural logarithms on both sides, ln 0.08496 equal to this term, this power minus 0.00248 tau into ln e to the base e, which is equal to 1. So ln 0.08496 equal to this power into 1. So solving this equation, you will be getting tau equal to 994 seconds. This is the